Hey there, let's talk about kitchen gadgets, specifically the ones that make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. If you're still using a regular toaster oven or a bulky air fryer, it's time to upgrade to something smarter. Meet the Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven, an 8-in-1 powerhouse that's here to revolutionize your kitchen. Let me tell you why this appliance is a must-have. First off, this isn't just a toaster oven, it's a multifunctional kitchen hero. It combines air frying, baking, grilling, broiling, and even warming into one sleek stainless steel design. Whether you're making crispy fries, roasting a chicken, or toasting bread, this oven does it all. And with convection technology, it cooks food faster and more evenly than traditional ovens. Say goodbye to soggy fries and hello to perfectly crispy golden results every time. Now, here's something I love. It's compact, but powerful. It fits right on your countertop so it doesn't take up much space, but it's big enough to handle a 13-inch pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken. Plus, it comes with a non-stick air fry basket, a baking pan, and a broiling rack, so you've got everything you need to get started right out of the box. But wait, it gets better. This oven is super easy to use. It's got 7 preset functions: air fry, bake, convection broil, broil, toast, and warm, so you can cook just about anything with the touch of a button. And the 60-minute timer with auto shut-off ensures your food never gets overcooked. Whether you're air frying chicken wings, baking cookies, or toasting bagels, this oven makes it effortless. Here's another cool feature. It's energy efficient. Instead of heating up your whole kitchen with a big oven, this compact appliance uses less energy and heats up in minutes. It's perfect for quick meals, snacks, or even reheating leftovers. And the matte black finish? It's not just stylish, it's easy to clean too. So, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game and make cooking faster, easier, and more fun, the Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven is here to save the day. It's versatile, efficient, and designed to handle all your cooking needs. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Trust me, your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you.